Today is 14th of August and we are celebrating Independence Day in Al-Qalam International Islamic School. Students are excited for being Pakistanis and we are celebrating Independence Day like any other festival in each and every corner of the country with unity and full of excitement.
August is a normal day for other nations, but it's most important for Pakistani nation because this day Pakistan gained independence from British rule.
झुके सरों को उठाकर तो देखो, कदम को आगे बढ़ा कर तो देखो। है एक ताकत तुम्हारे सर पर, कदम कदम पर जो साथ देगी, अगर गिरे तो संभाल ले। मेरे वतन के उदास लोगों, उठो चलो वतन संभाल।
I am not aware about the real meaning of patriotism. Yes, my dear friend, this is the real problem, that we do not know the meaning of patriotism.
That's how we celebrated our Independence Day in Al-Qalam International Islamic School. Students participated in different activities and speech competitions. They got to know the importance of 14th August and enjoyed a lot. Let's unite and work hard for the betterment of Pakistan. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.